Alright guys, welcome everyone to today's video, and it is the first day of 2018, January 1st, so I thought what better way to kick off the new year with a look back of all the videos that we did last year. Now, 2017 was my first year on YouTube, and because of you guys, it actually turned out to exceed any of my expectations. I couldn't believe the response all of you guys have done for me, so I thought no better way to get back to you than to kind of make a recap video encapsulating everything we did in 2017. And at the end of this video, we're going to start talking about what we're going to do for 2018. Alright, let's get started.
I'm going to drive my Boss 302 for 365 days until April 17, 2018. Oh, so much better.
Went to a car show on the top of a mountain.
Just the walls of snow. Good morning, everybody. First stop in Squamish. We're just getting some gas. Some guys needed it. I was okay. This is a car show. 5 minutes from my house. Nothing like a little bit of tire smoke in the morning to get your day going, huh guys? This is gonna be a fun one.
Became the first person in Canada to successfully tune a Boss 302 with a track key.
Had to run inside and go get some octane booster. Apparently it's knocking a little bit, so we're gonna try this stuff.
Put a new exhaust system in my car in the middle of a snowstorm.
All right, she's up in the air. We are step one kind of deal. This is gonna be a little bit backyard mechanic style. Ugh, I'm getting really tired. All right, it is all on now. It's done. Everything's tightened up. This thing is a beast now.
I had some great adventures with some new friends. Most importantly, I learned a ton this summer about what it takes to actually make videos and put videos out for you guys. You are going to need action cameras. I decided to go with the tried and true DJI Phantom. This little guy right here is a great one for the Sony a6300. What a great year it has been for my first year on YouTube. Once again, thank you so much to everyone out here. So the big question is, what are we gonna do for 2018? I've got a few track day events lined up. I definitely want to hit up some more shows this summer. Maybe a road trip? I'm not sure. But what I want to get back from you guys is some feedback. A lot of you guys who are watching this are either just Mustang enthusiasts, Boss 302 owners, or just car guys in general. And I really want to kind of give back to the community of all the people that are watching and get a little bit of a feedback as to what you guys want to see in 2018. Maybe it's possible, maybe it's not. Who knows? But let's start getting some conversations going down in the comments below, and let's make 2018 a great year. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.